Coronavirus numbers are just starting to show the impact of the Thanksgiving holiday, and now some medical experts are worried that this second surge will almost certainly be worse than what we saw months ago in the spring. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino is live right now in Hartford with more details on how hospitals are getting ready tonight. Mike?
Yes, Mark, doctors here at Hartford Hospital today say that they do still have capacity for the surge, and they're confident that they can make sure that they have space for the surge. We're hearing that from other hospitals as well, especially since treatments have been getting better. They're doing a better job of getting patients back home quickly and creating space for new patients. But now hospital officials also know that they need to make sure that their staff is ready for the stress.
Based on the modeling, we're more likely going to be seeing more patients than we've seen in the spring.
Medical experts are worried about how the coronavirus will spread across Connecticut in the coming months. We're just starting to see how Thanksgiving impacts our numbers, and more holidays are just around the corner. Doctors are urging people to avoid get-togethers, crowds, even indoor dining.
That's a social gathering, and that's an enclosed space, especially as we get into winter months.
Doctors with Hartford Healthcare and St. Francis say their facilities have available beds right now. And with better treatment, they're confident they can get patients out of the hospital fast enough to keep up. But there's also concern doctors and nurses could burn out dealing with a second rush of patients in less than a year.
We've experienced the first surge, and now to go through a second surge is obviously concerning.
Mental health experts are urging doctors and nurses to be open about how they're doing. Officials at Hartford Healthcare say they're offering more counseling and doing more to check in with staff.
We need to talk about this stuff openly. We need to not pretend that we have to be invincible as healthcare workers.
Connecticut is getting ready to distribute the coronavirus vaccine. Doctors today said it could still be a while before enough people are vaccinated that we can return to some level of normalcy. But they also say it should remind people we can get there.
I think this should be kind of the light at the end of the tunnel.
The concern isn't just with doctors and nurses. Experts say that they're worried more people can be experiencing depression because they're stuck at home. They say that if you experience any symptoms such as a change in behavior or a lack of motivation, that you too should also seek out counseling. Live from Hartford, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness.